to our advanced tutorial class for today. We'll be looking at set theory. So now, the concept of sets has to do with a collection of well-defined objects or a group of objects. Each object in a set is called an element or member of the set. So in a given set, we have things that are contained inside it. Let's call a set a container. So those things that are inside a given set are known as the elements or the members. Sets are normally enclosed in curly braces. So I drew a small thing here. You can see this is what we call a curly brace. This is the one we call a parenthesis, and this is what we call a square bracket. Now, most sets are denoted by uppercase letters, whereas the elements will be denoted with lowercase letters. So we have an example here. We have a set called city. So we denote the name of the set with uppercase as capital letter. And this is the curly brace. The elements of the set are inside the curly brace. So we have New York and London as what? Elements of the given set. The second set, we have a set A. And the set A has elements 1, 2, and 3. So now we have something on the board that looks like a small e. Now they say e is used to denote that an object is a member of a set. So if y belongs to set y, we can say that small y, which is an element, is a member. You can use that thing that looks like e of the big set y, which is what is written here. Now, methods of specifying sets. We have two given methods for specifying sets. We have the listing or the roster method, and we have the set builder method. So the listing or roster method simply involves what? It simply involves listing out all the elements of that given set. Why? The set builder method is what? The set builder method is like writing a shorthand that gives us the detail of elements of a given set. So for example, we have this set A, then we have inside set A an element x such that x, this column, we normally read it as such that x is an integer. We all know what integer is, positive or negative number, whole number. And then they say x lies in between 1 and 6, less than or equal to 1, less than or greater than or equal to 6. So what does this simply tell us? It simply tells us that the element of this given set, writing it out in listing or roster method, tells us that x is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because 1 is included in the given set and 6 also.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault.